So I went into one of the rooms looking for my cat Church, and I think he's found like a new place that he really likes. And at first I was like, is he really under there? How did he do that? That giant lump is actually him. Sometimes if I touch it, he purrs. Oh, I heard a squeak. He's moving. So I'm going to call him out on this, because I just think this is hilarious. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. And he likes it. He might actually just lay back under there. Let's see if he relaxes or gets out. Nope. Maybe it's time for a pee break or something. Come on, bud. Are you thinking about it? Are we in freeze mode here, or what's going on? Church. Church. Hi, buddy. He's been sleeping for quite a while. Sorry I disturbed your slumber, but I just thought it was so funny. See, he's loving all over me. Church. Nope, not ready to stop. Church. Church. Hey. Hi, kitty. Hi, beautiful. Oh, big stretches. Oh, big stretches for the big kitty cat. Are you trying to reach at my camera? Do you even know how cute you're being right now? Oh, Bubby. That's sweet. Okay, say my clothes stuck. I need help.